Planning a move to Catalonia is easy to see why. The country offers beautiful sun-kissed weather, amazing food and exceptional quality of life. But let's face it, moving abroad comes at times with the longest to-do list ever. Getting all the paperwork sorted, learning the language, finding somewhere to live. You are going to have plenty to think about when you move to Catalonia, even before you start thinking about your finances. Opening a Spanish bank account might sound like yet another difficult task, but it really shouldn't be too hard. Whether you are here to study or work, I will talk you through the process for a simple way to open a bank account in your new home. If you're actually moving to Catalonia long-term and intend to open an account for the day-to-day spending, then a resident account is the right way to go, even if you are not Spanish by nationality. Opening a bank account in Catalonia is fairly straightforward. Some tips. Open the account once you are already living in Catalonia. It sounds obvious, but it's really easier to do this when you are already here. Unlike finding jobs and apartments, this isn't always a process you can do ahead of time, since you'll likely need to include details such as your home address in the country. And once you are registered, you'll need to wait a few days to receive your account details and card in the post. Again, it helps if you're already in the country for this. Having a bank account in Catalonia is not a legal requirement. It is possible to manage your finances from an overseas account. However, if you are a long-term resident in Catalonia, it may prove costly and complicated to operate your everyday finances. There are many things such as paying utility bills and getting a mortgage where it is beneficial to have a bank account in the country. To open a resident account, you will need first a valid current passport or national identity card if you are an EU citizen, a document that proves your address in Spain, such as an utility bill that is less than 3 months old, or a recent bank statement account from another Spanish bank, your NIE number, the Spanish Foreigner Identification Number, and certificate. You'll get your NIE when you get your Spanish Foreigner Identity Card. This is a document that proves your legal status to remain in Spain for more than 6 months. And last, proof of your employment status, such as an employment contract, a student card, or unemployment paperwork. It is important to note that all documents will need to be translated into Spanish or Catalan before they can be accepted. You'll need to use an official translator known as traductor jurat and have all your documents authenticated with an apostille stamp. And if you are already too busy with the course of unpacking, looking for work, studies, language classes, or drinking sangria, you might well want to consider a digital bank account, which can be opened in just a few minutes from your mobile phone without any paperwork or Spanish-speaking skills at all with us in 11ONZE. You just need a compatible smartphone and some valid ID to verify your identity. You will have 24/7 access to your account and English-speaking services. All you need to do is download the mobile banking app, which is available from our website, and then you will need to provide an address, an email address, and a mobile phone number to link your account. And that's it. It wasn't too hard, was it?